Hello, happy morning and welcome to the Sales Saturdays episode number 4. For the salespeople, by the salespeople. We are talking about goals, and last week we saw how we have to set our goals. Now, setting goals is just the beginning of the journey. It must be backed with some really powerful strategies so that the goals can be attained. The two most important strategies that we are going to talk today are how to make the goals work for us and how should we work towards our goals. On the topic of making the goals work for us, we are going to borrow from the experience of the author Napoleon Hill, who in his book Think and Grow Rich, written in the year 1937, talks about the power of visualization. Every morning we should visualize our goals. We should visualize what we have become as a result of attaining those goals. He says this process develops the emotion of faith, which is very important for transmuting our desires into their physical equivalents. Continuing with our previous example of taking our family on an Himalayan vacation during the snowfall season, we have to visualize what is our life like when we are enjoying that vacation with our families. And we have to allow that emotion to internalize with us so that the goals can manifest. The second strategy is to work towards our goals. Goals are a well-meant intentions, and intentions without action doesn't mean anything. So intentions, when added by the action, only gives us the desired results. There are many approaches to talk about how to convert our intentions to actions, but the one approach that I am going to recommend is from the book The One Thing by the author Gary Keller. Gary Keller says that we must focus on doing one thing by which everything else either becomes easy or irrelevant. Taking the same example of taking the family on Himalayan vacation, we have decided that we require to earn rupees 2 lakhs as incentives. Now, what is that one thing we can do which can help us get that incentive of 2 lakhs in the 3 months? The one thing that we should do, the one thing that we must do is adding 3 new prospects to our funnel every week. If we focus on doing this one thing of adding 3 new prospects to our funnel every week, then everything else becomes easier, if not irrelevant. Summing up for the week, setting goals are just the beginning of the process, and it must be backed with strategies which will help us attain those goals. The 2 strategies that we discussed today are making the goals work for us through the power of visualization and working towards our goals using the one thing strategy by Gary Keller. Thank you for the time, and until we meet you next week, have a great time. Bye bye.